Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Давайте перерабатывать. Часть первая. Страница 74-78. English, Starlight 3. Let's recycle. Homework. Part number 1. Page number 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 74. 74. Let's recycle. Exercise number 1. Put the things into the correct bins. Поместите вещи в правильные ящики. Let's recycle. Paper, plastic, glass. Aluminium. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Paper, plastic, glass and tin. Put it all in your recycling bin. Love our planet. Keep it clean. Always remember the recycling bin. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75. 75. Exercise number 3. Unscramble the words and complete the poems. The words are from the song in exercise number 2. Расшифруй слова и заверши стихи. Слова взяты из песни. Упражнение 2. Recycling in my home. Recycling in my home goes round and round. Round and round, round and round. Recycling in my home goes round and round. All day long. Paper, plastic, glass and tin. Glass and tin. Glass and tin. Paper, plastic, glass and tin. All in my recycling bin. Recycle. Let's recycle what we use. We love our planet. Yes, we do. Let's start now. We can't wait. Let's start now. It's not too late. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Design a sticker for your recycling bin. Создайте наклейку для своей мусорной корзины. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 76. 76. Exercise number 1. What is Mona's favorite toy? Break the code. Какая любимая игрушка Моны? Разгадайте код. The answer. It's a teddy. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Write down your favorite toy in code. Запишите в код любимую игрушку. The answer. It's a train. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 77. 77. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Happy birthday, Trog. Happy birthday, Pog. How old are you today? 7. Yes, 7 balloons. Wow, there are red, blue, and yellow balloons. They are for you. Be careful, Trog. Oops. Bye, Trog. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 78. 78. It's so cute. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Nose, eyes. Hair, face. Ear, mouth. Duck hair, kitten. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Talk with your friend. Поговорите с вашим другом. What does Emma look like? She's got fair hair and blue eyes. The answer. What does Harry look like? He's got red hair and blue eyes. What does Mona look like? She's got purple hair and brown eyes. What does Lee look like? He's got dark hair and dark eyes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Listen and choose A, B or C. Which one is Sammy? Послушайте и выберите A, B или C. Кто из них Sammy? Have you got a cat, Peter? Yes, I've got a cat called Sammy. What color is Sammy? He's black and white. What color eyes has Sammy got? He's got big green eyes. Look, this is a picture of him. Oh, it's lovely. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.